good afternoon. What a delight and pleasure it is to be addressing a full house of people concerned about sustainable cities and water. Look, I'm from a non-profit community organisation called the Yarra Riverkeepers Association, and we're urging both the community and the government to take better care of the Yarra River. How do we do this? We're doing it by drawing attention to the issues that affect the river's health, but also, and probably equally importantly, to draw attention to the wonderful delights of the Yarra. In effect, we're trying to give the Yarra a voice, so I'm thrilled to be therefore speaking up for it tonight. The Yarra River's fresh-flowing waters and well-vegetated banks supported Aborigines for many thousands of years. They also attracted white men to settle here and build this modern city. But the Yarra is no less important to today's Melburnians, and certainly no less important to those who will follow us. This beautiful river, oh, I haven't got a button here. That one there, yeah. This beautiful river is a centrepiece of Melbourne's largest green wedge, an uninterrupted natural corridor. Oh, push two buttons tonight.
That one.
That one there? Okay. This would be a very strange blog, won't it? Uninterrupted natural corridor which goes all the way to within 4 kilometres of the GPO. It provides city dwellers with a chance to get in touch with nature, and that being close to nature is proving to be very important to our own psychological health. The Yarra really is arguably Melbourne's greatest natural asset. It's also the lifeblood of the city. Its catchment is the main source of our drinking water. And in fact, an average year it provides 70% of our water. Melbourne Water Corporation did a really important study just recently which looked at the flows in the river. It showed that because of the vast quantities of water we extract, the pattern of river flows is adversely affected, and the Yarra is now less than half the size it would be naturally. These factors have stressed the river's health, and environmental flows are sorely needed. Unfortunately, they haven't been provided. So what's the future? Two important trends. The prediction of climate change that inflows will drop by about 20%, and some people are working on larger numbers than that. And as the city expands, water extraction will rise to the cap, which is about 25% above the current usage. So what's the impact on the Yarra? This simple pie chart shows that the river will shrink markedly under those two trends. We will be sacrificing Melbourne's greatest natural asset. To conclude, I want to talk about what we mean by sustainability. It means living in balance with nature. It means living within the limits of its bounty. To do otherwise is unsustainable. Worse, it is depleting the resources that will be available to our children, and that is the antithesis, the converse of what we mean by sustainability. In respect of the Yarra, the government's recently completed sustainable water strategy falls well short of its promising title. The way we're going, future Melburnians will probably be calling our major waterway the Yarra Creek.